হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে আমরা ইংলিশে 26টা যে লেটার রয়েছে সেই লেটারগুলোর সাউন্ড শিখব। এই ফোনিক্সের জাদু দিয়ে আমরা খুব সহজেই রিডিং পড়া শিখব। তাহলে চলো দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক। এ এ সাউন্ডস লাইক অ্যান। এ ফর অ্যান্ট। এ ফর অ্যাপল। এ ফর alligator. A for albatross. B. B sounds like ball. B for bat. B for bee. B for ball. C. C sounds like cat. C for caterpillar. C for cake. C for cookie. Next we have D. D sounds like dog. D for dog. D for digger. D for drum. D for dinosaur. E. E sounds like A. E for egg. E for everyone. E for elf. E for elephant. Next, F. F for frog. F for family. F for fish. Next, we have G. G sounds like go. G for goat. G for gorilla. G for grapes. H sounds like ho. H for hat. H for hats. H for hippo. I. I sounds like E. I for insect. I for ink. I for iguana. Next we have J. J sounds like jaw. J for jam. J for juice. J for jellyfish. J for jewelry. Next we have K. K sounds like ko. K for kite. K for koala. K for kangaroo. Next we have L. L sounds like law. L for lollies. L for light. L for llama. Next we have M. M sounds like more. M for man. M for mushroom. M for monkey. Next we have N. N sounds like no. N for nut. N for nest. N for nose. Next we have O. O sounds like O. O for octopus. O for orange. O for ostrich. Next we have P. P sounds like paw. P for park. P for pink. P for panda. Next we have Q. Q sounds like cool. Q for quilt. Q for kuka. Q for queen. Next we have R. R sounds like raw. R for run. R for rabbit. R for ring. Next we have S. S sounds like saw. S for snake. S for snail. S for sloth. Next we have T. T sounds like toe. T for time. T for tree. T for turtle. Next we have U. U sounds like ah. U for umbrella. U for upside down. U for umpire. Next we have P. P sounds like paw. V for pet. V for violin. V for vest. Next we have W. W sounds like O. W for whale. W for whale. W for watcher. W for winter. Next we have X. X sounds like X. X for box. X for saxophone. X for 6. Next we have Y. Y sounds like yolk. Y for yolk. Y for yacht. Y for yodu. Next we have Z. Z sounds like jaw. Z for zebra. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. আজকের মতো এই পর্যন্ত। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন। দেখা হচ্ছে পরের কোনো ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং। টেক কেয়ার।